Welcome to the SME Friend Business Plan Generator, your smart, step-by-step guide to creating a clear, professional, and actionable business plan. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand, our platform makes it simple to turn your ideas into a plan that impresses investors or financial institutions, secures funding, and keeps your business on track for growth. I'll show you how the platform helps you turn your ideas into a clear business plan, manage your finances, and prepare for growth. Business details. We begin with business details. Here, you tell your story, who you are, what you do, and what makes your business unique. It's the foundation of your plan, and the first step to showing lenders, investors, or even future partners the identity of your business. We get the basic details of the business name and any registrations or licenses you have. Next is the crucial part of what type of business you do. Choose your industry, sector and business type, as this will guide you with specific training throughout the rest of the platform, whether you have a hair salon, a chicken layer business, or an electrician or any other type of business. If your business type isn't listed, you can use the search tool or request a new business type to be added that matches exactly what you do. It's important to know what type of legal entity you are, as well as your mission, vision and the fundamentals of your business model, these all having drop-down lists to choose from. If this is a current business, we need to know the performance and also what assets the business has. You can add as many assets as you have this to give an accurate picture. Banking and personal finances. Next is banking history. This is where you record your past and current business loans, so there's a clear picture of your liabilities. If you're looking for new funding, we'll guide you through that process too. To give lenders confidence, you'll also add key details of your personal finances, this essential background that demonstrates your financial credibility. Business and market analysis. Here, you'll outline your motivations and your family and business objectives. You'll also complete a SWOT analysis to map your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Finally, you'll define your customers and competitors, proving that you understand your market and where your business fits in. Costs. The cost section gives you a complete view of your expenses, from inventory and equipment to transport, salaries, professional support and utilities, and even overlooked items like insurance or having a contingency fund. This ensures you know exactly what it takes to keep your business running. Operations. In operations, you'll describe how your business works today and how it will change with a loan or investment. Importantly, you should also consider who are your suppliers. You can also describe your key processes, whether they're weekly, monthly, or annual. Through going through this section, you can plan how operations will scale with investment or a loan. Sales, revenue and growth. In sales and revenue, you can choose up to 30 items or categories of product or service that you sell, this either from a drop-down list or by choosing Other. You should set realistic targets so that you can track income sources. Here, you can also highlight if you have any seasonal variations of sales, such as holidays, or if in agriculture, harvesting and selling times. Reinvestment and other businesses. In the reinvestment section, you'll show how profits will be reinvested to keep growing the business. You should also outline any other business that you do, this showing your overall capability of managing your business and thus giving confidence to a financial institution to lend you money or an investor to invest in your business. Financial statements. Financial statements are often the hardest part of a business plan to develop for an entrepreneur, but in the SME Friend, all your inputs come together. Projected income, cash flow, and balance sheets are created automatically, saving you time and reducing errors. At the bottom of the screen are details of your current loans and if you are applying for a new one. Dashboard. Your financials are displayed in the reporting dashboard, giving you a clear, visual picture of your business forecast at a glance. They're automatically generated from the details you've already entered. With these insights, you can make informed decisions if there is anything that you need to change and present a professional financial overview. With everything in place, and if you're happy, you can submit your inputs, and the business plan generator transforms your inputs into a professional, ready-to-use business plan. No guesswork, no wasted time, just a clear plan you can share with banks, investors, or partners. With the SME Friend, you're never building alone. You're guided step by step, with the tools to plan, grow, and succeed. Let's get started, and build the plan that will power your business forward.